good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Monica. So today I'll be picked up by my uncle and my aunt, and I'll sleep over their house. And then tomorrow, up until I think Sunday or Monday, I will be in Washington Island, Wisconsin. So I'm pretty excited for that. I get to spend some quality time with my uncle and my aunt. They recently just got married, and there will be like 5 other families there, so I'm kind of nervous. I don't know them, but it should be fun. Let me hit you with that transition.
Yeah, blocker.
Yes. I'm with my uncle and my aunt. Excuse my hair. Oh, woo! It is hot. Walking to the car. My uncle. So right now it is currently 10:20 and I am at my uncle's and my aunt's house, and I'll be sleeping over for the night. I might sleep at 11. It's 10:21 right now. I'll see you guys in the next video.